Summertime in central New York is the time for outdoor family fun and adventure. However, with enjoying the great outdoors comes risk. In central New York, we face a special threat from a tiny insect, the common mosquito. These small, dangerous insects carry disease which kill an estimated 3 million people every year. Even a single bite from this creature can infect you and your loved ones with West Nile virus and many other blood-borne diseases. In Oswego County, the threat is no different. In recent history, there has been an increase in cases of the infamous West Nile virus throughout New York State, but also of a lesser-known disease known as Eastern equine encephalitis, or EEE. Although EEE-carrying mosquitoes more commonly infect horses, humans are just as susceptible to the virus. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, EEE is one of the most dangerous mosquito-borne diseases, as approximately 1 in 3 cases ends in death. Unfortunately, this was the case for the niece of Donna Wilcox, who fell victim to EEE just 2 days before her 5th birthday.
My 4-year-old niece, Maggie, a full of life, so excited to almost be 5 little girl, living as all children should, suddenly falling to the ground, clutching frantically at her head and crying out in agonizing pain, while her parents stand beside her, terrified, wondering what they can possibly do to help their little girl. There are calendar dates that our hearts will never forget. August 14th, 2011. That's the date Maggie died. And just a few precious hours after we learned what was to claim our girl. Maggie died from the bite of a mosquito infected with the Eastern equine encephalitis virus. 1 mosquito of a million mosquitoes. 1 tiny, deadly mosquito.
It doesn't take a healthcare professional to know the dangers behind mosquitoes and the diseases that they carry. However, many people do not know the necessary steps to protect themselves during that buggy time of year. Here are some tips to prevent you and your loved ones from being bitten this mosquito season.
Most important is wearing your insect repellent when you're outside during times when mosquitoes are active. We look for or recommend that people use EPA registered bug repellents that can contain either DEET, picaridin, or oil of lemon eucalyptus. If you can limit your outdoor time between dusk and dawn, that helps again to prevent mosquito bites. We ask that you repair screens and windows and doors so that you can keep the bugs on the outside where they belong, and to try to eliminate standing water. Anytime you're in those wooded areas, swampy areas, any time of day, you should really be using protection. Again, using those insect repellents, long sleeves, long pants if temperatures permit you to do that. It's rare for people to contract these illnesses, but it happens. So it is important that we continue to push those messages of protecting yourself.
New York State health officials are working together more closely than ever to stop the spread of EEE and protect the public from that and other mosquito-borne illnesses. Though summer is a time for fun and enjoying the outdoors, people should always be aware of the dangers of mosquito bites and be vigilant when it comes to preventing diseases from these dangerous creatures. Precautions must be taken in order to protect you and your family from dangerous diseases spread by mosquitoes. Through the help of the New York State Department of Health and careful residents like you, we can create a safer, healthier, and more mindful community from the threat of mosquito bites. For more information on how to protect yourself against EEE and other mosquito-borne illnesses, visit the New York State Department of Health at www.health.ny.gov, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention at www.cdc.gov, or you can contact your county health department through the numbers listed on your screen.